we're going to be discussing the measures of central tendency that are used in statistics. So the measures of central tendency are the mean, the mode, and the median. Say we're given a set of data, being 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So whenever you're given a set of data, it's always best to put it in ascending order so that it's easier for you to work with. So say the first question says we must calculate the mean, which is also known as the average. So the formula for the mean is x, that is the symbol for the mean, is equal to the sum of all n from the first I being 1, xi divided by n. So n is the number of observations or data there are. So in our case, we count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our n is equal to 9, right? And then this symbol right here stands for each and every entry into this data set. So 1 is a single entry, 2 is a single entry, and 3 is a single entry. So when you want this part of the equation, it is the sum of all these individual entries together. So the next step is now to calculate the mean. So we have the mean is equal to the sum of all these entries. So we're going to say it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, all of which is divided by 9. When you punch it into your calculator, you're allowed to use a calculator in the statistics paper. So you have 40, which is the sum of all these entries, divided by 9. And then when you divide that on the calculator as well, you get 4.4 recurrent, which means that it's a number of 4s going that way, which is unnecessary to write. So it is 4.4, and that is your mean. If now the next thing we are asked to calculate is the median. So what is the median? The median is the number that is in the center of all the data. So now that's where it is important to put your data in ascending order to see which number is in the middle. So if we count from either side, we can see that here we have 4 numbers from this side, and we also have 4 numbers from this side. So the number that is in the center of all this data is 4, right? So when we say what is our median is equal to 4. That is a simple one. If we're then asked to calculate the mode of the data, or determine the mode of the data is the number that occurs with the most frequency, meaning the number that you see the most in the data set. If we analyze, there's only 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, but 2 4s, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, and 1 8. So clearly 4 is the number that occurs at the highest frequency. So the answer to our mode is 4.